For today, I'll be teaching you how to add disbursement account on your SSS. The first step is to log into their website using your user ID and password. Enter your user ID and password. Click Sign In. Then click Maybe Next Time. Then you can see your account. Then we will go and select Services. Once selected Services, click Disbursement Modules, then Disbursement Account Enrollment Modules, or the details of the accounts that you can and cannot use for this SSS disbursement module. Once done, click the I Certify checkbox. Proceed, and you will see here, you choose between bank or e-wallet. We'll choosing bank. I already have an existing account, so you can see it here. Now we want to click Certify, then select Enroll. We choose the bank that you like. For me, it's BPI. Enter the account number. Now you'll be attaching supporting documents to prove that you really have and own this account. You have to prepare soft copy or photos of your bank account, a selfie holding a valid ID and your bank account, and then a valid ID. All supporting documents are attached. You click Certify box once done. Then click Enroll. Bank details will be submitted to the SSS and you will receive a copy in your email. Now you have to check your email to check and see if this is successful. Here is a sample email. If you like this video, like and subscribe.